what you get when you hike along the mountains of Hong Kong Island. The beauty of nature in its natural form. Look at that. So beautiful. Hiking is a very essential part of our lives. Being over 60 years old, you need to have some good exercise, and hiking is one of the best ways to improve your physical fitness, build more energy in your body. But then again, you have to drink a lot of liquids or water to replenish your lost body water and sweating a lot. So look at this beautiful view of mountains. So that's why it is important to have some exercise, and hiking in Hong Kong is very safe. Wow, the weather now is quite good. Cold air, cool wind, and even though it's so sunny today, the temperature is quite low, which is quite good for hiking. You can hear voices from the other side of the mountain. So we're just walking around this side of the mountain, trailing along the side. Anyway, lots of hiking now. Hikers coming. Alright, see you later. Strange place. There's a stair leading to nowhere. And then here is a stone like a structure before. And then also there's another one there. Anyway, let's go. that we explore this peak. Oh, there is a tomb here. Meron palang tomb dito. There is a tomb for the dead on the peak. Look at this view. Hey, let's go down. Hello everyone, it's the end of our hike today, and it's been a good one, although very tired. Still okay. We have discovered a new trail up on the peak of a hill on the same route as Hong Kong Country Trail. It's a good one too. The view was absolutely amazing. A panoramic view of the mountain and partly of the harbor. So viajeros, until next time on our next hike or photo shoots or food vlog, stay tuned with us whenever we have a new vlog or video. Please subscribe to our channel, click the like button, the bell button to notify you whenever we have a new video uploaded on YouTube. Well guys, thank you so much for your support. God bless everyone. Until next time, it's another very tiring day, but absolutely fantastic. Alright, stay safe, stay healthy, stay away from COVID-19. Bye bye, viajeros. Bye bye.
See you next time.